Welcome back, traders and investors. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's changing the game for anyone interested in trading, even if you're new to the world of finance. It's called copy trading. Copy trading allows you to tap into the expertise of experienced traders and potentially earn on autopilot. But wait, before you think it's all smooth sailing, let's talk about the real deal behind copy trading. So, how does copy trading actually work? Well, the concept emerged in the cryptocurrency space in 2017 with platforms like Bitget. Essentially, instead of making trades yourself, you're investing in other traders. When they win, you win, and when they lose, well, you're in the same boat. But it's not as simple as it sounds. Trades are copied in a percentage-based manner, meaning you're only connecting a portion of your portfolio to a single trader. Plus, there are risk management tools available to help you keep control. But remember, a little learning goes a long way to avoid unnecessary losses. Alright, let's talk about the nitty-gritty of choosing the right trader to copy. Trust is the name of the game here. You're entrusting someone else with your hard-earned funds. So, let's explore some key factors to consider. First up, a proven track record. Check out a trader's performance over time. The longer the track record, the better. It's like getting a sneak peek at how they handle both bullish and bearish markets. Speaking of performance, look for returns that show consistency rather than sporadic spikes. A gradual upward climb in the historical performance chart is a good sign, while irregular spikes might indicate unpredictability. Confidence matters too. Follow traders who risk their own money and trade with a real account. This shows they're likely to be more careful and have the confidence to back their strategies. Consistency is a key indicator of a solid strategy. Look at a trader's past trading volume. If it remains stable, it suggests a well-thought-out approach. But if there's a sudden surge or drop, caution might be warranted. Now, let's talk risk level. Remember, trading is inherently risky, but you can control your exposure. Check if traders use stop levels on each trade and their distance to gauge risk. Followers matter too. A trader with followers who've invested significantly shows they've gained trust. It's like a vote of confidence in their trading skills. Lastly, remember that copy trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It can be rewarding, but it comes with risks. Start small, get comfortable with your chosen traders, and gradually increase your investment as trust builds. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of copy trading. Just remember, it's your risk, not someone else's. If you're ready to dive into the exciting world of copy trading, why not explore the Bitgetverse? Sign up today and embark on your trading journey.